Good day, everyone. Today is Friday, 25 July 2014. I'm going to sing Love Divine, All Loves Excelling, accompanied by the piano by my daughter, Christine. Love divine, all loves excelling, joy to heaven, to earth come down. Fix in us thy humble dwelling, all thy faithful mercies crown. Jesus, thou art all compassion, pure unbounded love thou art. Visit us with thy salvation, enter every trembling heart. Breathe, oh breathe thy loving spirit into every troubled breast. Let us all in thee inherit, let us find the promised rest. Take away the love of sinning, Alpha and Omega be, and of faith as its beginning. Set our hearts at liberty. Finish then thy new creation, pure and spotless let us be. Let us see thy great salvation, perfectly restored in thee. Changed from glory into glory, till in heaven we take our place, till we cast our crowns before thee, Lord, in wonder, love, and praise. Thanks for watching.